Set up DDNS first before configuring a VPN server on your ASUS router. DDNS setup was covered under JAJUKA SWIFT video titled ASUS DDNS Service Setup. Ensure wide area internet connection basic configurations are enabled. Enable NAT Passthrough to allow a virtual private network connection to pass through the router to network clients. Now, a VPN server can be set up on your router. Click the OpenVPN button and enable OpenVPN server. Here is a look at the default advanced settings. Select your encryption, a server port, local network only, and set up a password. Export the OpenVPN configuration file. This file contains all the necessary settings for an OpenVPN client to connect to a VPN server. On your VPN client, in this case Ubuntu, use the following commands to install OpenVPN. In this case, OpenVPN is already installed. Move client OVPN to the OpenVPN configuration directory. Here is what is inside the OpenVPN directory. Start an OpenVPN client connection. Enter the username and password created while in the router's VPN server configurations. A connection to the VPN server has been established. To demonstrate our ability to access our home network from the wide area network, let's use FTP to connect to our USB stick. Also, let's send a print job to our home printer. Printing is successful once the active job disappears.